Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow hatch green chili using an easy method. First, select a location that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, ensure your soil is well draining and has a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. You can begin your seeds indoors, about 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost, to give them a strong head start. This simple preparation sets the stage for a successful harvest. Once your soil consistently reaches 60 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to transplant your seedlings outdoors. Give each plant ample room, spacing them 18 to 24 inches apart, with rows about 30 inches wide. This allows for good air circulation and growth. Remember to water deeply and regularly, aiming for about 1 to 2 inches of water every week. Consistent moisture is key for healthy, thriving chili plants. To encourage robust growth, fertilize your chili plants every 4 to 6 weeks using a balanced fertilizer, such as a 5-10-10 blend. Keep a close eye on your plants for any signs of common pests like aphids or spider mites. If you spot any unwelcome visitors, address them promptly. Organic pest control methods or a simple insecticidal soap can effectively protect your precious plants. The most exciting part is harvesting your delicious hatch chilies. They are ready when they reach 6 to 8 inches in length and feel firm to the touch. Look for that vibrant green color, a sure sign of ripeness. Use sharp shears or a knife to cut the stem, leaving a small piece attached to the chili. Enjoy the incredible flavor of your homegrown harvest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.